Hi everyone, so in this lesson we are going to learn countable and uncountable nouns. Countable maksudnya boleh dikira. Uncountable maksudnya tak boleh dikira. Okay, now look at question number 1 ya. Some nouns are uncountable. Okay, nouns maksudnya kata nama. So ada kata nama yang tak boleh dikira. Some nouns are uncountable because they are umbrella terms. Okay, umbrella terms. Umbrella maksudnya payung. Okay, so umbrella terms maksudnya it's like kata payung lah. Okay, so like I will explain to you what does it mean by umbrella terms. Now look at number 2. On the other hand, the members of an umbrella term are countable nouns. Okay, so member kata umbrella terms itu adalah kata nama, adalah countable nouns, kata nama yang boleh dikira. Okay, now look at the example below here. So we have got accommodation as the umbrella term. Okay, so accommodation maksudnya tempat tinggal. Okay, tempat tinggal. So this is an umbrella term. And then the examples, contoh tempat tinggal. Okay, for example, condominium, flat, hut, dormitory, hotel, apartment, inn, house, suite, tent, room, hostel, mansion, homestay, cabin, penthouse, homestay. Okay, yang ini semua adalah countable. Okay, so saya ulangi satu kali lagi ya. Kalau umbrella term, okay, accommodation ini adalah uncountable. Yang contoh-contohnya itu semua adalah countable. Okay, now what is the difference between countable and uncountable? Untuk yang uncountable, okay, seperti accommodation, kita tak boleh letak atau an di depan. Contohnya, kalau kita tulis an accommodation, salah. Sebab accommodation itu uncountable. So tak boleh letak an di depan. Now look at the examples, okay? Contoh-contoh accommodation, kita ada condominium. Okay, untuk countable, kita boleh letak atau an di depan. So we can say a condominium, a flat, an apartment, a hotel, a house, a hostel, a mansion, okay, or an inn. Alright. Untuk contoh-contoh umbrella terms, all of them, okay, semua adalah countable nouns. So we can put or an in front of it. Okay, now for exercise 1, you will have to divide, okay? You will have to divide these words into umbrella term and members. Okay, members maksudnya contoh-contohnya lah kat sini, okay? For example, look at bread. Okay, bread maksudnya roti. So bread actually is an umbrella term. Maksudnya bread tak boleh dikira. We cannot say a bread, alright? But we can say a bun. Bun boleh dikira. A bun. A loaf. Loaf maksudnya roti panjang, okay? Macam gardenia. Yang kita potong, yang panjang itu, that is loaf, okay? Or croissant, alright? Croissant. Okay. Or croissant, it's also countable. So we can say a bun, a loaf, a croissant. But we will never say a bread because bread is an umbrella term. It's uncountable. Tapi contoh-contoh untuk bread, contoh-contoh untuk roti, okay, seperti bun, loaf, croissant, ini semua countable. So sebab mereka tu countable, so we can use a bun, a loaf, and a croissant. Alright, now we have already identified bread and its members, okay? Now, I need you to pause this video, alright? I need you to pause this video for maybe like 10 minutes, and then you work on this exercise. Okay, identify the umbrella term and the members. For each umbrella term, you will have 3 members, okay? So pause now and then work on the exercise. Okay, now I believe you paused your video just now. And then now let's discuss the answers together. Okay, now what is the second umbrella term here? The second umbrella term here is rubbish, sampah. Sampah tak boleh dikira because it is an umbrella term. Therefore, we cannot say a rubbish because rubbish is uncountable. And then what about the examples of rubbish? Contoh-contoh sampah tu apa? For example, empty can, okay, tin-tin yang kosong, or broken chair, okay, kerusi yang sudah rosak, atau ragged shirt. Ragged shirt maksudnya shirt, okay, baju yang sudah koyak dan kotor. Koyak dan kotor tu ragged. Okay, so for again, yeah, we cannot say a rubbish because rubbish is uncountable. But we can say an empty can, a broken chair, or a ragged shirt. Why? Because these are countable nouns. Okay, now let's look at another one, all right? Another one is sea life, okay? Sea life, hidupan laut, all right? Sea life, hidupan laut. Hidupan laut, sea life is an umbrella term. And then what about the examples of sea life? We have got prawn, okay, udang. We have got crab. We have got squid. So we cannot say a sea life, but we can say a prawn, a crab, or a squid. Okay, next. What about the next one is luggage. Luggage is an umbrella term. Luggage maksudnya barang-barang yang kamu bawa dengan kamu semasa kamu nak pergi ke tempat lain. Okay? For example, when you want to check in, okay, before you board the aeroplane, sebelum kamu naik aeroplane, you have to check in, don't you? So barang-barang yang kamu bawa dengan kamu, seperti suitcase kamu ke, seperti bag laptop kamu ke, seperti jaket kamu ke, okay, atau seperti handphone kamu ke, hak ni semua adalah luggage, barang-barang yang kamu bawa dengan kamu. Okay, so luggage is an umbrella term. And then what are the examples of luggage? Contoh-contoh luggage tu apa? Okay, we have got suitcase. Suitcase maksudnya the thing that we keep our clothes. Okay, let me show you the picture. Yeah, suitcase. Okay, so this is suitcase. Okay, so I believe you can see the picture here. Yeah, so this is a suitcase. Okay, for suitcase we can count. Okay, this is part of luggage. Okay, suitcase adalah sebahagian daripada luggage. We can say a suitcase, satu suitcase, but we cannot say a luggage. Tak boleh cakap satu luggage, ya. Remember. Okay. Apart from suitcase, we also have case. Case itu kotak lah, okay, kotak. It's like wooden case ke, plastic case ke, and also your let's say your bag. Okay, your bag. So we can say a suitcase, a case, or a bag, but we cannot say a luggage because luggage is umbrella term. Okay, contoh boleh dikira, tapi umbrella termnya tak boleh dikira. So the last one is homework, kerja rumah, homework. Okay, so we cannot say a homework because homework is uncountable. It's an umbrella term. And then contoh kerja rumah baru boleh dikira. For example, essay, karangan. Okay, you can say 1 essay, 2 essays, 3 essays. Okay, essay boleh dikira. What else? Exercise. Okay, exercise boleh dikira. So you can say, oh, how many exercises do we have to do? Berapa exercise yang kita perlu buat? Okay, exercise boleh dikira. And what about the last one? The last one is quiz. Quiz boleh dikira. Tapi homework tak boleh. We cannot say a homework. Okay, but we can say an essay, an exercise, or a quiz. Okay, now we have already learned the difference between umbrella terms and members. What is the main difference? Apakah perbezaan yang utama di antara umbrella term and members? The main difference, perbezaan yang utama adalah umbrella term tak boleh dikira. Contohnya, membersnya boleh dikira. Okay, now the second thing, how do we use umbrella term and how do we use the members? Macam mana nak guna? Okay, yang paling utamanya adalah a atau n. Untuk umbrella term, kita tak boleh letak a atau n di depan. Tapi untuk membersnya, kita boleh letak a atau n di depan. Okay, remember ya. Okay, now let's look at exercise 2. Okay, we have got 10 words here. Some of them are countable nouns, whereas the others are uncountable. So remember, for countable, untuk yang boleh dikira, kita boleh letak a dan n di depan. Tapi untuk yang tak boleh dikira, for uncountable, you have to put dash in front. Okay, so now I need you to pause this video. Okay, stop this video for a while and work on this exercise. Okay, tulis exercise ini dalam buku 3 grammar. Okay, and then after that we will discuss the answers together. Okay, you may pause the video now. Okay, so I believe you did pause the video just now, didn't you? Okay, so let's now start the discussion. Okay, number 1, machinery. Machinery maksudnya jentera, okay? Like all types of machines. Segala machines, okay? Adalah machinery. So machinery is actually an umbrella term, okay? So we cannot say a machinery, we have to say machinery. You gotta put dash in front. And then salah satu contoh machinery itu adalah vacuum cleaner. Okay, so we can say a vacuum cleaner. Now look at number 3 and number 4. 10 ringgit note. Note kat sini maksudnya wang kertas. Okay, 10 ringgit note, wang kertas 10 ringgit. And money, duit. Okay, so what is the answer? Number 3, yeah, is a 10 ringgit note. Number 4 is money. Why? Because money is an umbrella term. Okay, money adalah umbrella term. And then 10 ringgit note adalah salah satu contoh daripada money, kan? So, kalau contoh kita boleh kira a 10 ringgit note, a 50 ringgit note, a 50 cent, okay, coin. Coin pun adalah salah satu contoh daripada duit, kan? So, a 50 cent coin, a 10 cent coin, alright? Kalau untuk zaman-zaman dulu, okay, orang guna apa? Orang guna emas ke, perak ke, yang jadikan emas atau perak sebagai duit. So, we can say a gold, alright? Okay, we can also say a gold as an umbrella term. Okay, we can also, no, it's not umbrella term, it's countable noun, yeah? We can say a gold. We can say a gold, but we cannot say a money, understand? Okay, now number 5, wildlife and owl. Wildlife adalah haiwan-haiwan liar, okay? Atau haiwan atau tumbuhan liar. And then owl, okay? I believe that you know what owl is, isn't it? So we should say wildlife, put dash, because this is an umbrella term. But for number 6, we should say an owl, okay? An owl, because owl is an example of wildlife, adalah satu contoh daripada wildlife. Okay, next. Hold on, yeah. Number 7, dessert and chocolate cake. Dessert is an umbrella term, so we cannot put a dessert. We should say dessert. I like to eat dessert. But number 8, okay, chocolate cake. Chocolate cake adalah salah contoh daripada dessert. So we can say a chocolate cake. For example, my mother baked a chocolate cake. Satu chocolate cake. Okay, number 9 and number 10, hour and time. Okay, so for number 9, it's an hour. Okay, satu jam. And then time, masa, it's uncountable. Because time is an umbrella term. Okay, hour it's part of time. Okay, dia adalah sebahagian daripada masa. Okay, masa boleh dibahagi kepada hour, minutes, seconds, milliseconds, and so on, right? So for the examples of time, we can count. We can say an hour, 2 hours, a minute, 2 minutes, but we cannot say a time, 2 time. Okay, it has to be uncountable because it's an umbrella term. All right, so I need you to write all these things in buku 3, yeah. And I'm sorry we cannot conduct the class on Google Meet because my connection, okay, my yes connection, it's very bad. So whenever I try to log in, it always log me out. I have no idea what the problem is. So I just record a video and then I send it to you. So I need you to write this note, but I will send this note to you, okay? Write this note, tulis note, and then buat latihan dalam buku 3 grammar. Okay, that's all for today.